Hello everyone, Giovanni with Hardscape.com. We have been showing you guys the progress of the first install in Henderson, Nevada of our 16 by 32 3 cm thick porcelain paver. We started showing you guys the prep work that was done under this covered area. Now they're going to extend this patio out, and they'll have their type 2 bays over here, and then they will put sand, paver sand, compact, and get the product installed. So we're just showing you guys so far what has been done. This is the very first project installed in Henderson, Nevada, Lake Las Vegas is the name of the condominium here, and this gives such a different look to the to the homes and to the patios, and much cleaner and easy to maintain. So if you guys have any questions about our porcelain pavers, you can email us at sales@hardscape.com. Thank you, Giovanni with Hardscape.com. Ken Giovanni with Hardscape.com. It's important to show you guys this install we're doing in Henderson, Nevada at Lake Las Vegas. Cuts are being put down right now, and you can see that spacers are already there against the concrete, and you have spacers already on the full pieces there. It is imperative that these spacers be against the wall and the porcelain does not touch that concrete. A lot of people think just because a concrete paver can go against a curb or a gutter or a concrete recess like that they can do the same with porcelain, and unfortunately you cannot. You need to leave your joint space so polysand gets in there, and using the spacers is key to maintaining integrity and longevity of the project. So we're just sharing little details with you guys and things that are missed sometimes on an installation. We'll keep on bringing you more information and more education on how to get this beautiful product installed. And for the contractors out there to make some money, for the homeowners and for the architects to have something unique and different. This is complete unique, complete different than everything else we've seen here so far in Lake Las Vegas, Henderson, Nevada. Giovanni with Hardscape.com.